This is what the elephant and sun look like, right? Would you be interested in creating and viewing a traditional Indian art design featuring an elephant and the sun? Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all creative minds out here. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in landscape mode. Pause the video, draw the step, and then proceed to the next step. In the end, use color reference as shown. You can use oil pastels or acrylic colors as your coloring medium to achieve the final result. Let's start. Do circle and oval shape for the elephant's body. Little curvy line for the leg. Erase those lines that are not required. Do placement for sun and other elements. Now it's time for the final decorative design. Let's give characteristic to the sun. Add more design forms. These forms are inspired by basic shapes. Now, let's add the background, lotus and water waves. I made this with curves. For trees and clouds, use curved lines. Few more details for sun. Great job! Now it's coloring time. Vibrant red and orange for the background, fresh green for the tree, and light blue for the sky and water. Add few more details. And that's it. We are done with this. For more helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society's YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't wait any longer. Subscribe now.